Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the latest move in gold and what could happen next. Let's get started. Gold is showing strong upward movement after staying stuck in a range for a while. The price has finally broke out and is now hitting higher. We can see that it bounced up from a support area and continued to climb. Buyers are clearly stepping in and the momentum looks strong. The recent breakout shows that the bulls are in control. The price is now testing an important area where it has forced the price is now testing an important area where it has faced rejection before, so this is a key level to watch. If gold moves above this level with strength, we could see more upside ahead. But if it gets rejected again, it might come down for a short pullback before moving higher. It is a good idea to wait and watch how the price reacts here before making any trade decisions. So it is good idea to wait and watch how the price reacts here before making any trade decisions. Okay, so if you found this simple analysis helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy trade updates.